All right, we're live. So, what I want to do is I want to start a new series on YouTube, and I want to do like small little Python projects, just so I can like develop my Python knowledge and also have like little projects behind me. So then take these projects, put them on GitHub, and then anyone can take them and edit them and learn from them and whatnot, just like I am. So essentially, I want to take myself on a journey learning Python again because I did take Python in college, or my intro to computer science class was all in Python, but that was like a couple of years ago. So like it'll help me strength it'll do that. It'll help me strengthen it'll help me learn to it'll help me catch up on Python, meaning it'll help me catch up on Python skills, and then hopefully after I get it'll help me catch up on Python, meaning it'll help me catch up on my Python skills. And then, hopefully after I get my Python skills back up a little bit, then I can make more complex projects I love it. And more custom and more complex projects, right? Or I can make more complex projects as or by starting out with these small little projects, they'll be building blocks for bigger projects, right? So I can take these little projects and then I'll have these in my repertoire of libraries or modules or however we were going. By making all these small little projects and making these YouTube videos, I'll then have small little modules or libraries of my own that I can then make more complex or create something more unique, depending on what I need to do or where I want to go. Or maybe, or just maybe, if I do well with these videos, maybe I can just keep making just video after video on YouTube, just making Python projects, trying to include as much as I can of different kinds of, you know, libraries and stuff so we can do different things. But I really like computer vision and stuff like that right now. Like, that's what really has me back on Python and stuff. One of the things that I want to get into is automation, specifically using like Vision and Python to, detect objects, read, facial recognition, whatever it is that it needs for that project that I'm working on, and then use that information to react on it. So, for example, if it's an automatic, I don't know, it's just for fun, right? An automatic door opening thing where there's a camera, and if it recognizes you and you're like X amount of feet or meters or however you want to measure it away, as long as it detects you and maybe you do like a hand sign, it'll let you in. It'll recognize you and it'll recognize a hand sign or something like that. Stuff like that, Or you know what? As we get more and more advanced in our learning, maybe, no, not maybe, we will definitely get into some car stuff. So like automating, self-driving, I guess, self-driving car. So that would be cool to get into that. So it's like a whole big journey, hopefully. So yeah, I know you're excited. I'm very excited. So, build small little projects, and hopefully, we'll see. Like, I can get better and better and learn more, and maybe you can learn more or help me learn more. Correct me. But yeah, so let's see what I can do with this first set of projects that I'm, planning on releasing on YouTube. When I don't know. As soon as I stop this, I will start planning my first one. Let's see what I come up with. All right. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you soon.